Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to create a virtual machine in Google Cloud. All right, so first up, go ahead over to console.cloud.google.com. Now, once you're in here, go ahead and scroll down. You'll be able to see create a VM. Okay, just click on it, wait for it to load. Now, once it loads, all you have to do is just click on enable, right? Click on it and wait for the process to finish. All right, once that's done, it says your API is now enabled, and just click on manage. Now after that, go ahead and go to the three horizontal lines. Under Compute Engine, you can go ahead and click on VM Instances. Okay, click on it. Now go ahead and click on Create an Instance. Now in here, name the instance. For example, My Cloud VM 123. Select the region. Select the region that is close to you. For example, Asia. Right here, Asia Pacific, Singapore. Zone, select in the zone, maybe A. Right here, now select a computer, for example, general purpose computer, compute optimized, memory optimized, storage optimized, and GPUs right here. Okay, for example, a general purpose virtual machine. Here we have the series, description, vCPUs or virtual CPUs, memory, CPU platform. Okay, for example, I'm just going to select 2 vCPUs right here, or 1 with a memory of 2 to 576 gig. Okay, I'm going to select that. Now I'm going to scroll down. Machine type, we have that in here. By default, the selected one is the lowest, which has 1 vCPU and 4 gigabytes of memory. Advanced configuration, you have that in here as well. CPU platform, automatic or Google Axion or later. vCPU core ratio 1. Core count, just leave it as is. Now go ahead over to OS and storage. Okay, when you change something in here, it will just automatically compute from here. Okay, if you add a new disk, it will automatically be included in here in the total or just the monthly estimate. Okay, and here's the hourly rate. Now once that's done, go ahead over to data protection. You can go ahead and use a backup plan. If not, you have snapshot schedules here or no backups. Okay. Networking, you can allow both HTTP and HTTPS traffic. You can also add a host name in here. IP forwarding, if you want it enabled, make sure to tick it. And I'm going to go to security right here. As you can see, service account, select the service account. For example, this one, I just created this one. And if you don't know how to create a service account, just go ahead and look it up in the channel. It's pretty easy. Follow the step-by-step guide and you'll be able to create your own service account. Now going back, access scopes, default access, full access to cloud APIs, or you can set access for each APIs. Okay, just gonna leave it as is. If you want to enable secure boot, you can go ahead and tick on this one. All right, and once that's done, you can go ahead and hit on create. Okay, make sure the OS type right here, make sure to select the OS that you wanted to run. Okay, for example, this one will be using Red Hat right here. Okay, and then here, make sure to select the license type. Okay, pay as you go. Once done, hit on select. After that, you can now go ahead and hit on create. Okay, wait for the process to finish. Once done, launch your virtual machine, and after that, you're good to go. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.